Do you want to look at this machine? Look right here. Let's stick this on your toe. Can you do this?
Yes.
Will you let me? See that red light? See? Put it right here on your toe. Well, let's have you sit down again. Now watch this. Okay, see this? See how I put it on my finger like that? See that? I'm going to stick it right here. It's real soft. Now watch over here. Look at this. Watch that number, okay? Can you do that? Look up here, Amir. What's it doing? You gotta watch for. There it goes. Oh, nope, almost. Didn't quite come yet. Nope, 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 nope. Look, there's the number you want. Right there. You're perfect. 100%. That's what your mom got on her test, didn't she? In Bible class, especially. You are perfect. Okay, now we gotta do something else.
Oh, my mom.
Sexy mamá.
Little bit.
¿Va? ¿Qué pasó? Sí,
Just kind of just big for your arm.
Oh.
Let's see.
De tanto así como
Let's try